Hi guys, please enjoy the next video for US Classic Muscle Cars. Hi, welcome to the 2018 Gears and Ears. This is Rich Kenny, and this is his 1965 Chevy Malibu. Tell us about it, Rich.
Yeah, I'm the second owner. Bought this from the original owner in Bensenville, and it's got 31,000 miles on it. It was repainted once. Original motor, original trans, and all the interior is all original.
How long have you had the vehicle?
I had it about 8 years.
How did you get into old cars?
My dad's a member of the Gears and Ears, and he's got a 1941 Chevy sedan.
What do you do for work, Rich? Let's look at the interior, Rich. A little messy in there. Gotten any awards for this cute baby right here?
I got second place for all original.
What other car shows do you go to?
I go to Lombard Cruise Night and Streamwood. That's where I'm from.
What about that one in March? In Rosemont?
Oh, the World of Wheels?
Yeah, World of Wheels.
Good job, babe. Yeah, so, we go there.
I don't know what else is it. What else?
That's fine, baby.
Yeah, man, I'm down here. There's
oh, can we see the engine, Rich?
folks, ear protection is important. It is.
Let's see what's under the hood.
There you go. There you go. Okay, so
what's going on here? What do we have?
We have a original 327 Power Glide Trans, 250 horse. As it looks, I got the car about 8 years ago. The motor's never been out of the car. Power brakes, power steering.
Do you let that special woman drive your car?
She drove it a few times, but that's about it.
Is she a better driver than you are?
For sure.
And where are you taking her this summer on vacation?
We're going to Las Vegas.
That's right.
that's on film. That's on tape.
There we go. You're so stupid.
What do you want to say? How much? How smooth is this baby to drive?
It drives really smooth. It drives like a boat, just floats down the road. It's got the original headlights, the T3s.
AM radio?
T3 headlights, they're all original, all four of them. AM radio.
What made you decide on this car?
I got a good deal on it, and it was all original. That's what I was looking for. The second owner.
What kind of beer do you drink, Rich?
Hello, Budweiser. How about you?
Bud Light.
All right.
Thanks for watching this episode of Gears and Ears 2018. I keep putting this back.
Yeah, it's like a